Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the YouTube channel, Smart_Travelers Memos. Today, I'm beginning a series of lectures in biology. Remember, I told you I was a teacher, and a teacher remains a teacher. So I will try to do junior secondary course. That is the learners who are 11 to 14 years old, whom we were calling Form 1s in the old education system. Remember, now we are in CBC. So I will deal with Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4. Whatever level they are in this CBC. But I will start with the junior secondary, ages 11 to 14 years. So guys, welcome to Introduction in Biology. Welcome to Introduction to Biology. The approach I've thought best for these videos in biology is that in every lesson or lecture or whatever you call it, or discussion, I will start by giving a suggestion of the lesson plan. The teachers who won't mind to follow when they are teaching the different areas I'm going to be highlighting in my videos. So my videos as concerning lesson plans is just a suggestion to the teachers on how to tackle every topic. Welcome, guys. So, guys, welcome to the lesson plan, Introduction to Biology, where I start with the lesson overview. So you have the subheadings, topic, the grade level, and the duration. So the topic, as you can see, is Introduction to Biology. Grade level is junior secondary, approximately ages 11. Guys, welcome to the first video, which is Introduction to Biology lesson plan. So in the lesson plan, I have the lesson overview, where you have topic, Introduction to Biology, grade level, lesson plan, Introduction to Biology, lesson overview, Introduction to Biology, topic, grade level is junior secondary, approximately ages 11 to 14, duration is 60 minutes. Objectives: understand definition and scope of biology, learn the basic concepts and importance of biology, identify branches of biology, and appreciate the role of biology in everyday today life. Materials needed: whiteboard and markers, projector and computer for slides, handout with basic concepts and branches of biology, chart paper and markers for group activities, sample specimens if available, or images of various organisms. The lesson structure would be as follows. Introduction will take 10 minutes, where you have greeting and attendance. You welcome the students and take attendance. Then you have an icebreaker activity. Ask students to share what they know about biology or what they think biology is. And then lesson objectives. Briefly explain what will be covered in the lesson. Lesson structure, it will take 20 minutes. And the first thing you do is you have the definition of biology. All right. Present a slide with the definition. Biology is the study of living organisms divided into many specialized fields. Explain that biology helps understand life and living organisms, their structure, function, growth, evolutions, and interactions. Next, tell them the importance of biology. Discuss why biology is important. Medicine, environmental conservation, understanding human body and health, agriculture, and so on. Use real-life examples to illustrate points, e.g., how biology helps developing medicine. After that, you can tell them about the branches of biology, where you present the main branches of biology, that is botany, study of plants, zoology, study of animals, microbiology, study of microorganisms, genetics, ecology, and so on. Use images and a brief description to make it engaging. Then you have interactive question and answer, which I'm calling interactive Q&A. Encourage students to ask questions and clarify doubts. The next point on the guided or lesson structure is guided practice, which will take about 15 minutes. Divide students into small groups. Provide each group with chart papers and markers. Assign each group a branch of biology to discuss and illustrate. Ask groups to present their work to the class. And then, in this guided practice, you have class discussion, where you summarize the presentations and fill in any missing points as the teacher. Number 4 of the lesson structure is independent practice, which takes 10 minutes, where you distribute the worksheets or you distribute handouts with a mix of multiple choice questions, short answers, and matching exercises related to the lesson. Completion and review follows, where you allow students to work on the worksheet individually and then review the answers as a class. Notice here, guys, that you have in any lesson in my years of teaching, if you want to have a good lesson, you have to research. The next is conclusion, which will take 5 minutes, where you have the recap, summarize the key points covered in the lesson, questions, open the floor for any final questions or comments, homework, assignment, Ask students to write a short paragraph on why they think biology is important in their daily lives. And finally, closing, thank the students for their participation and attention. For the teacher now, you have assessment, where you have formative assessment. This is observation done during observation during the group activity and the question and answer session. Summative assessment, you have evaluation of the worksheet and the homework assignment. Extensions and differentiations. Because these lesson plans I try to illustrate are not only for the young students. So, for advanced students, provide additional reading materials on specific branches of biology or current biological research. I beg your pardon. In this extension and differentiation, in a class, you have two categories of students. You have those who get things very fast and those who do not get things very fast. So for the advanced students, provide additional reading materials on specific branches of biology or current biological research. For the struggling students, offer one-on-one support during independent practice and simplify the worksheet if necessary. The extension activity, plan a field trip to a local botanical garden, zoo, or science museum to provide hands-on learning experiences. Very important in biology, that extension activity. Then you have the reflection. After the lesson, reflect on what went well and what could be improved as a teacher. Gather feedback from students to understand their perspectives and make necessary adjustments for future lessons. So guys, this lesson plan provides a comprehensive introduction to biology for junior secondary students, aiming to build a strong foundation for further study in the subject. Reference books. In my case, I decided to give 2 reference books, but there are many reference books you can use when teaching Introduction to Biology. So I just picked 2. The list is not exhaustive. So we have the first one, which is a Kenyan reference book. And this book is known as Secondary Biology Form 1 by Kenya Literature Bureau, or what we call KLB. Chapter 1 is Introduction to Biology, and you have sections where you have definition of biology, branches of biology, and the importance of biology. The second reference book is an international reference book known as Campbell Biology, Concepts and Connections by Jane B. Lacey, Mother R. Taylor, Eric J. Simon, and Jean L. Dickey. The chapters is chapter 1, which is Introduction, Themes in the Study of Life, where you have the sections Biology Today, Major Themes of Biology, and Scientific Inquiry. So, my guys, that lesson plan is just a suggestion by Mr. Midamo TK, Remember, he was a biology teacher, a senior examiner for that matter in biology paper 3. And so that lesson plan is just a guide, and I hope the teachers are going to look at it, criticize it, or have a positive criticism or critique the lesson plan. But I think it's going to guide you in your lesson preparation, guys. So, may I now go to the lesson itself? So, welcome to the lesson Introduction to Biology in my next video. But let me not forget to honestly ask you to subscribe to this channel, Smart_Traveler Memos. Give each video a like. Give positive comments, guys, and share the video with your friends. I also request you to watch the video up to the end to benefit from what is there. So with those few remarks, guys, bye-bye, and see you next time, guys. Love you all.